Now I would like to cover and emphasize the importance of adding landlines. The way the system works on a mobile device is it senses or determines the location of that mobile device when a Rave Panic app is used within that geofencing or the boundaries that you create. Landlines do not work the same way. They don't deliver the same location information. So it's important that we create outgoing landline numbers. So if someone calls from within the campus or building, that the phone number is built into the system with the outgoing lines. Again, the outgoing lines, if you do not know all of your outgoing lines, then contact your phone vendor and see if they can assist you with that as well. And you can do that very similar to creating contacts with the green plus button. And you can enter your information here. There are character limits like room number, maximum of 10, Robert's office, and there's a checkbox here for option to send 911 notification. So now we've created a landline for this particular campus. Also, for multiple outgoing lines, you have the same feature where you can download an Excel format and upload them all from a spreadsheet. And again, this is another way of managing your data that goes into the system. And once you save it, browse where you saved, upload the file, and it will store those landlines into your facility profile. One thing I would like to mention briefly as you